All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays, coming to you live from Prague's International Airport, where I am headed to Istanbul, Turkey. And I will be in Istanbul, Turkey for about 5 days, have a nice glass of wine before my flight. It is noon New York time. So let's look at the markets. Ah, damn it. Why does it do that to me? Am I going to dox anything? Wait. Hold on. I'm not going to dox that. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yep, that needs to be closed. Okay, here we go. Do a full screen share and go from there. Weekly chart. The weekly candle remains red. This would be the 8th consecutive red candle, maybe even the 9th consecutive red candle. We've never had anything like this before in Bitcoin. So we are due for a bullish week. I still think we can rally all the way to 36,000, but I'm not crazy optimistic that the bottom is in because of this crazy consolidation. Now, even though I'm not optimistic that the bottom is in, I am in a bullish trade because I do have a little bit of bullish bias because I'm looking at this clown world and I don't understand why people aren't rushing into Bitcoin. You have literally a war going on, and Russians and Ukrainians both need Bitcoin. And I know they need Bitcoin because both sides are messaging me, asking me for advice on Bitcoin. I still have a small amount of Ukrainian friends, but people in Russia are reaching out to me as well. And Bitcoin is needed. So the fact that Bitcoin is this cheap is really, really surprising. This candle is completely nuts. Now, I would love for this candle to close exactly the way it looks now, because then I would be able to raise my stop loss to below that candle's low and raise my buying opportunity to above that candle's high for next candle. I'm going to leave these lines like this for now, because I'm sure I'll do a video tomorrow from Istanbul, but I don't know. I'm going to be meeting a bunch of people. Man, party last night again. I got to stop drinking, though. I'm at the airport drinking wine, but I got to stop drinking. Like I said, there's no crazy tone drunk stories because I know my limit, so I don't drink that much. Hey guys, if you want to hang out and have a proper tequila with me and a bunch of cool people, come down to the Dominican Republic for the Financial Summit, August 1st to 6th. It's an incredible event with traders and money managers. Spoke to Willie Wu today. There's a couple of visa issues, but hopefully they'll all be worked out. And we will have Willie at the event, and we're working on that. And because he really wants to come, and I'm pretty sure he will find a way to be there. So please check it out. We have a beautiful testimonial video that's super cool, and we're gonna update this photos page in a bit. If you're curious what kind of room you'll be staying in, we got a whole slideshow of rooms that are included, including stairs to a giant pool from your room, or a few upgrades for the ballers that are watching me right now. Daily chart, like Bitcoin cannot possibly be any more boring. So there's really nothing to say on the daily chart. I don't like this shape. If we are sitting right here at $28,800 at the end of May, I'm gonna pull my trade off the table and potentially even short. It just looks terrible. This is an insane consolidation. I don't even need the bottom side of the consolidation because I have the MRI support lines. And you can see how the MRI support lines has just shrunk this consolidation. Though the new MRI support line is approximately where my breakout line was, and the prior MRI, sorry, that was resistance line. The prior MRI, the support line was great, and now it just tightened up a bit. Well, GBC premium is not going to do anything unless Bitcoin starts to rally. I remain very bullish on oil, probably my most confident position that the price of oil will rise. I'm still leaning bullish on gold. I haven't removed this green arrow yet. We held the upward trend line, so gold has a high probability of breaking out. The stock market is very correlated with Bitcoin. You guys know that. The stock market is not moving, so Bitcoin is not moving. Long-term look on the stock market, I think we're still gonna go down, which is another reason why I think Bitcoin's gonna go down. I am off to Turkey, and the exchange rate is crazy. I really wonder how much I can get from this. I am speaking at a conference. I don't have much info on it, actually. Hopefully I'll send you info later. It's the conference is it's like a private business club by a Kazakhstani billionaire. So it's going to be awesome to meet him. And the event is in Russian, so but it's for a Kazakhstani audience. But like everyone in those regions speaks Russian, so I was invited to speak about Bitcoin. As you guys know, I am potentially going to start full-time trading soon, and I will be utilizing this page to find all my best trading opportunities. And you can even do it in crypto right there. You can identify trends in crypto using the MRI. Whatever this scam token is, Cosmos, is very bearish. Though considering it's worth almost nothing, I don't know how much further it can go down. Well, it can go down $10. And whatever this scam is, also is it a full bear trend? So there you go. Speaking of currencies, I am keeping an eye on the Russian ruble. Oh, wow, it had a day where it lost some money. The Russian ruble is. Oh, how about that? The MRI buy got it. That's a daily MRI. I did not even realize that. Look at that. We're on a weekly and daily MRI buy. How did I miss these? I look at this thing every day. How did I miss it? You have a daily and weekly MRI buy. I mean, you can't actually trade the ruble, but it's a great exercise in. Did we top on an MRI buy? MRI sell? No, we didn't. Would have been nice though. Weekly? No, but this is strong. This is a weekly MRI buy the dollar, and so ruble's devaluing, and it makes sense. It's a weekly MRI buy alongside the daily MRI buy and extension A, though I don't really care much about extension A. So that's super interesting. And the Ukrainian hryvnia is, of course, not openly traded, because if it was openly traded, it would probably be somewhere up here. It would probably be trading at about 40 to 50 if it was openly traded in the market. The ruble is still openly traded in the market. I love how everyone is making the excuse that it's being manipulated, but every currency known to man is manipulated. So, and everyone hates the ruble, so it's not more manipulated than the other currency. So that's the price. And once it breaks below 55, oh boy. All right, guys, I'm tired. I can't wait to get on the plane and go to sleep. Speaking of plane, I haven't gotten through security checkpoint yet. Can you look at ENPH? I have no idea what that is. ENPH. Is it a shit coin or is it a, no, it's a stock. Monthly, weekly. Oh, beautiful MRI sell on a weekly. Oh, beautiful MRI buy on a weekly. Wow. Why didn't you tell me this in January and then again in April? Beautiful MRI weekly buy and sells. I mean, if I ever do another workshop on MRI and another beautiful MRI buy, wow. Wow. Oh my God. Jesus. This is like, that's insane. What about the daily? I don't know what a Marco distribution is. I have no idea what that is. Am I getting cut off by the camera? No, the daily chart is not interesting, but man, what a weekly chart. What a weekly MRI gem. Thanks, JV. Oh, so what do I think now? I'm leaning bullish, but no, I would stay away from it. Like the time to buy was here, the time to sell was there. If you have the stones, you can short it. Not much more I can say. Why did Willie Woo cut his subscription? Well, he always said he wasn't going to do it forever. He tried it. Look, guys, these subscriptions, like these webinars that I used to do, these YouTube channels that I do, like they make you money. Not at the moment. At the moment, I don't make any money, but they make you money. But it's a lot of stress and it's a lot of responsibility, and it just weighs on you, and it's not worth it. Like what you have to understand about entrepreneurship or even the things that we do, like if I'm going to do something for people that I don't even know, I expect to be compensated for it. But if it no longer makes me happy, no amount of money will make me keep doing it. So I don't do one-on-one consulting anymore. Like if someone pays me $1,000 for an hour of private consulting, I'll probably do it, but I just don't want to do it anymore because I just don't enjoy it that much. And almost no amount of money is going to change my mind. So it's the same thing for Willie. Those newsletters were probably a lot of stress, a lot of work, a lot of client support. And while I'm sure he made a lot of money from it, it just not worth it. At some point, it's just no longer worth it. It's just like if you don't really need that money and it's giving you a lot of stress, then you just, do something else with your life. Well, Ravi, what am I shilling? Explain. Please educate me. Tone is a shill. What is Tone shilling exactly? Other than the financial summit, what am I shilling? It's an event that people really enjoy. I just have to convince people that it's worth spending the money on and coming. And like I was literally just hanging out in Prague with two people that came to the financial summit, and they were just hanging out with people that they met at the financial summit in other countries. And they're both thankful that they came because they met great people. Like that's what I'm showing. I'm showing an event. I don't know what ape coin is, and I really couldn't care less. All right, guys, I'm gonna go catch my flight. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Can I check Uber? All right, I'll check Uber and then I'll cut the stream because I'm curious. Oh boy. Well, I still pay them a shit ton of money. Well, people aren't traveling, so people aren't going around. The gas prices are high, Uber prices are high. People are like walking and using a bicycle. So yeah, prices on Uber is the Uber stock's going down. It looks bearish. You got a couple of more days, and you'll have a weekly MRI buy on a daily scale. It looks like it's about to break down. So look for a buying opportunity, probably a few weeks from now. All right, I want to make sure I don't miss my flight. I still got to go to security check. So I will